Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox Xiaomi Smart Camera, which works with both Google Home and Alexa, shooting in 2K resolution with 3 megapixels quality. It offers also infrared night vision with full panorama 360 view. It works good in the low light conditions, and also it has human detection, so it will start recording if it sees any movement. It has also two-way intercom. So let's unbox it and see how it performs in real life conditions. So this is the camera itself. It's pretty small, and we'll see how that 360 rotation goes and also how much it can go up and down while recording. You can see here it is working on USB Type-C. So let's see what additional items we got here in the box. So as you can see here, we got instruction manual, warranty card, and this is if you want to mount it, let's say on the ceiling or something like that, or on the wall. And here is the USB-C cable. It is pretty long, so let's see now how we can set it up and how is the quality from this smart camera. To connect it, you need to download the Xiaomi Mi app, and then from the below there will be a QR code to scan it, and that is how you can add the device, as you can see here. And here you can see, once successfully connected, you can control your camera easily from the phone, and you can monitor all the time what is happening. You can tilt up and down, everything is possible. You can put the SD card, it is below here. Once you turn off the device, SD card is there. You can see here now how it looks when you put the micro SD card you can add here. Let's see some more shots during the day. And here it is how it is looking in the middle of the day. So it is pretty bright, as you can see here. And of course you can do moving of the camera, and also you can do zoom in. So it is pretty good. And let's see now how it is in the middle of the night, where the conditions of the light are bad. As you can see, the quality is pretty good even in the night conditions. So this is the light, and let's turn the light off and see how the quality will be then. And you can see that the quality is still good, so let me make record. You can see it's pretty dark here, but if I remove the light like from my face, this will be how it is without any light. So I would say it's pretty good, and you can see outside that it is recording pretty clear where the light is there. So to conclude this video, I'm very happy with the camera. It has a good resolution. Even in the night condition, it is not that bad, and mostly I will be using it while I'm away from home, to just make sure that everything is fine in the home, that there is no any natural disaster, some water leakage or something like that. And of course you can use this as a baby monitor also, to check for when your baby is sleeping in another room or things like that. And of course as a security camera you can use it as well. So if you like it, you can order it from the link below. And that will be all for this video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.